What if I told you there's an SUV on sale right now that's more likely to reach 250,000 miles than almost any vehicle ever built? Not a super expensive exotic, not a luxury German SUV, and not even the SUV most people think of when they hear the word reliable. In fact, out of nearly 400 million vehicles studied, one SUV crushed every expectation and achieved something almost no vehicle ever does. But here's the crazy part. Several of the SUVs people trust the most didn't even make this list, and one popular brand was ranked among the least reliable in America. Today, we're counting down the 7 SUVs that almost never die, SUVs that can save you thousands in repairs, survive well past 200,000 miles, and in some cases, keep going for decades. The closer we get to number 1, the more unbelievable the numbers become. And trust me, the SUV sitting at number 1 shocked even me. Before we begin, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because every week we expose the best and worst vehicles on the road using real data, not opinions. Let's get started. When people shop for an SUV, they usually focus on horsepower, giant screens, or flashy features. But 10 years from now, none of that matters if the vehicle is sitting in a repair shop with a blown transmission. That's exactly why this list exists. Researchers analyzed nearly 400 million vehicles and discovered something shocking. Only about 4.8% of vehicles are expected to reach 250,000 miles. Think about that. More than 95% won't make it, but the SUVs you're about to see beat those odds by 2, 3, 4, and even 8 times. And we're starting with a vehicle that quietly became one of the most dependable SUVs in America, the Honda Pilot. While some automakers continue struggling with reliability issues, Honda took a different path. Instead of chasing complicated technology, they focused on refining what already worked, and that decision paid off. The Pilot has a roughly 17.5% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's more than double the average SUV. Most people don't know this, but the real hero of the Pilot isn't its design. It's what's hiding under the hood. Honda's legendary J-Series V6 has been refined for more than 2 decades. No complicated hybrid systems, no exotic engineering, just proven hardware that keeps going year after year. Even the most common owner complaint isn't something catastrophic, it's brake rotors. That's it. No engine disasters, no transmission nightmares, just brakes. And compared to what some competitors face, that's almost boring. But wait until you see what comes next, because the next SUV comes from the same company that built one of the least reliable vehicles Consumer Reports tested. Yet somehow, this SUV became one of the longest-lasting vehicles on the road. The Chevrolet Suburban. This thing is an absolute giant, and surprisingly, that size is one of its biggest advantages. The Suburban has roughly a 22% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That puts it ahead of many luxury SUVs costing far more. Here's why. Its massive V8 engines rarely have to work hard. At highway speeds, they're practically cruising. Less stress, less strain, less wear. And because the Suburban shares so many parts with Chevrolet's truck lineup, replacement parts are everywhere. Need repairs? Chances are your local shop already has what you need. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. Some owners report issues related to GM's active fuel management system, but if you know about it early, it's usually manageable. Still, the next SUV completely changes the game because it proves something many drivers still don't believe. A hybrid can actually be more reliable than a traditional gasoline vehicle. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. A 25.9% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, more than 3 times the industry average. But here's the secret most people never hear. The Highlander Hybrid doesn't use a conventional transmission, no traditional gears constantly shifting, no complicated clutch packs, no belt-driven CVT. Instead, Toyota uses a planetary gear system refined over decades. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things that can break, and that's one reason these vehicles seem almost impossible to kill. Even better, annual repair costs are lower than many compact economy cars. Think about that. A family SUV with room for everyone costs less to maintain than some tiny commuter vehicles. But if you think that's impressive, the next SUV enters luxury territory and somehow becomes even more reliable. The Lexus GX 550. Now this is where things get interesting. Luxury vehicles usually come with luxury repair bills, but not this one. The GX is basically hiding a secret identity. Beneath the leather, beneath the premium materials, beneath the giant screens, it's essentially a Toyota truck, and that's exactly why owners love it. The GX combines rugged body-on-frame construction with Toyota's legendary durability. The result? One of the only luxury SUVs capable of competing with mainstream reliability champions. Most luxury SUVs lose value because owners fear expensive repairs. The GX built its reputation by doing the opposite. And yet, somehow, it still isn't the most durable Toyota on this list, not even close. Because now we're entering the heavyweights, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This name has become legendary for a reason. Around the world, Land Cruisers operate in deserts, mountains, jungles, and some of the harshest environments on Earth. Aid organizations trust them, military forces trust them, remote communities trust them. Why? Because they simply refuse to quit. Toyota engineers reportedly designed the Land Cruiser with an entirely different philosophy. Not for 5 years, not for 10 years, but for decades. And that reputation continues today. The latest version combines modern hybrid technology with the same durability-first mindset that made the Land Cruiser famous worldwide. But somehow, even the Land Cruiser isn't Toyota's most durable SUV. Not even close, because now we're entering the heavyweights, the Toyota 4Runner. This win has earned a reputation for a reason. Owners don't just keep them for years, they keep them for generations. The data backs it up. A staggering 26.8% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's over 3 times the industry average. And here's what makes the 4Runner special. Toyota never tried turning it into something it isn't. While competitors chased luxury features and complicated systems, the 4Runner stayed true to its roots. Simple, tough, proven. It's built like a truck because underneath, that's exactly what it is. And that's why so many examples are still driving around decades later. But now we've reached the final SUV, the vehicle that shocked researchers. The SUV with the highest probability of reaching 250,000 miles, not just among SUVs, among virtually every passenger vehicle studied. And the number is so ridiculous it almost sounds fake. The Toyota Sequoia. This is where everything changes. Remember the industry average? Just 4.8%. The Sequoia? An astonishing 39.1%. Think about that. Nearly 4 out of every 4 Sequoias are expected to cross 250,000 miles. That's over 8 times the industry average. Nothing else even comes close. And once you understand how it's built, the reason becomes obvious. The Sequoia rides on a platform originally engineered for heavy-duty truck work, yet most owners use it for school runs, road trips, and grocery shopping. It's like asking a professional weightlifter to carry a backpack. The workload barely registers. Then, Toyota adds hybrid technology that reduces engine runtime and wear. The result is a vehicle engineered for an incredibly long life. Even more shocking, repair costs remain lower than many vehicles that are far less capable. And that's exactly why the Sequoia sits at number 1. Not because of opinions, not because of marketing, because the data says so. So there you have it, 7 SUVs that consistently beat the odds and have the best chance of surviving far beyond 200,000 miles. But here's the question. If you had to keep one SUV for the next 15 years and pay for every repair yourself, which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe because in the next video, we're exposing the SUVs that look great on the showroom floor but become financial nightmares after the warranty expires. Trust me, you do not want to buy one of those by mistake.